Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can clean the microphone rusty grill or a dusty grill. So sometimes it got dust building up around the grill right here. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can clean them. Now, one of the easiest way is to use this alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. It's got 99.8 pure alcohol, and we're going to use it to clean the microphone grill. Another thing that you will need is to get a brush. So use an old toothbrush, and also we're going to need a small rag. This is a microfiber cloth, and we're going to use it. Another thing that you can do, if you don't have isopropyl alcohol, then we can use warm water. So we can apply some warm water to the towel, and we're going to use it to soften the dust build up on the grill, and then after that you can use a toothbrush to clean it. Okay, so I've got a warm rag right here. You can apply it onto the grill. Now make sure it's not too wet. You don't want water to go through underneath. And you can just kind of give it a brush like this. Depending on how dirty it is, you may need to be patient and take some time. Now if it's really dirty, sometimes you might even need to take out the grill. So you need to disassemble your microphone and take it out. So it's just really depending on how dirty it is. Or you can just spray the alcohol. So we're just gonna spray a little bit on it, not too much. Okay, so and give it a clean. And then every now and then just use a rag and wipe it off. You can see this is a very dirty microphone. So it will take some time to clean it off. So just gonna give it a spray. Not too much though, just a tiny spray at a time, and then just clean it. So we need to slowly work our way around the grill. And then every now and then we're just going to use a towel to clean it off. So you can see it's starting to come off now. Now sometimes it can be hard in the hole where dust get stuck or food get in the way. You can use tweezer to go into in the hole in the gap around here and just pick out the dust to remove it. Now another thing that you can use is vinegar. It can help remove the rust, but I like to use alcohol. It's got 99% pure alcohol, and it will give a very sterilized on germs and stuff. And it gets dry very quickly as well. You can see it will evaporate and get dry almost immediately with alcohol spray. And that's it. So if you still can't clean it because it's too dirty, you might have to disassemble your microphone, take out the grill, and you might need to boil it. If you boil the grill, then it will help to remove a lot of dust or greasy stuff on the grill. Okay, so let's see how dirty it is when we trying to boil the grill. So I have disassembled and take out the grill from this Yeti microphone. Now because sometimes when you put your mouth close to the microphone and you're eating and talking at the same time, foods and other stuff can tend to stick onto the grill and becomes extremely greasy and sticky. So in here I'm going to boil it, and shortly when I turn down the fire you can see that how dirty it will be. Okay, here it is. Oh my god, look at this. So you can see it's so dirty, a lot of stuff coming out from the grill that I couldn't use the brush itself to brush it off. So putting it in hot water definitely can bring a lot of stuff out. You can see in the pot right here, it's so dirty coming out of this microphone grill. Okay, so I have emptied out the old water and put in a new hot pot of water, and now you can see the grill is quite clean, improved quite a lot compared to previously. And yeah, so I'm just going to bother again to make sure it is really clean before taking out the hot water and then dry it. So once you take it out the hot pot, give it a dry quickly. You don't want water to stay around, as it may foam rust. So just dry it as quickly as possible, and then I'm going to spray it with some alcohol. So spray some alcohol liquid on, and this will allow you to sterilize any germs, and yeah, it will give you a very clean and nice looking grill. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.